So my next requirement on the left join will be to find out the members who are not the committee members. So for example, this member ID 2 Jane do not have the committee member, and for the David also it do not have the committee member. So I want only the output with only these two values which do not have the committee ID. So how to do that? Just think on it here. Okay, okay, I'll write a task here. So to find the members who are not the committee members who do not have the committee ID and the committee name. So how to do that? So I'll just copy the same code to save some time. I'll copy the same code on the left join. Just now we have done it. Yeah. Now I want to know, like, for which member ID we do not have the committee ID. So for that we can use a where clause, because I'm applying a condition, and after where clause I'll be using a is null operator. So where your c dot committee ID, that is your committee ID column is null. So is null will take care of that. This column, if you contain a null value, that will be printed. So let me execute this. So you can see that wherever there is a null value inside the committee ID column, that will be printed. You can see this. So this is how you can use select from join using a where clause.